Hi, welcome to Nicola's Trading Strategy once again. Today I'm going to share you with how to make a live scanner with our own strategy and filter it from 1500 plus stocks. So let's see how can we make a scanner. So this is the charting.com. You may know about this site. So earlier they don't have daily chart option like 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 50 minutes, but now they have the daily chart option. 5 minutes and 50 minutes, 10 minutes, you will get it in from here. So in this charting, once you visit the home page, you can see in the screener custom scans. So just click it. So here you can make the scanner. For example, I'm making a scanner with my own strategy. So just for an example, suppose I want SMA crossover scanner. So I'm just searching for SMA simple moving average 20 days. So this latest option, let us change it to 5 minutes. Okay, then greater than, I'm going for buying section. So greater. So from here just click it, SMA dot EMA SMA. So just for example I show this one 30. Then here change it to 5 minutes. So just click the 0. So they ask me about previous candle or previous 2 candle, 3 candles, or whatever candles you want, you just enter it. So I'm just click to previous candle. So once you run here, I got all the stocks which met this condition. So I want to add some more conditions. I want to volume also, the volume, the 5 minutes volume greater than volume 5 minutes previous. So I'm adding another condition. So I just run it. So once again it's filter out. So if you want another condition, you can add it. So like if I'm looking for super trend, okay, super trend, latest super trend greater than, okay, greater than close, okay. Then I am added to another condition. So I got all the stocks, so many stocks. So I'm looking for only future stocks because the stocks have good volume, and here you will get all the stock. Those stocks sometimes don't have volumes, so I prefer to filter it future stocks. Okay, I got, then my list is filter it. So just click it. See here, it's met all these condition, is crossover and got a super trend. So once it's this candle, you will get the signal here. So every 5 minutes you just run this scan. So whenever any stocks which meet your requirement, it's pop up here. So once it's pop up, you can just know about the stocks is cross above this one and super trend, so you can take buy. So this is just for an example. I show this strategy, and so you can use any other strategy like that. If you want to add anything, something like, okay, you want to add EMA, or you want to check with RSI latest RSI above, or something like that, whatever you want, you just add it from here and filter it out. So your own strategy, you know, most of the people know about this strategy, but most of the time we can't check all the stock. We can't open more than we can open only 4 chart, maximum 5 chart, and watch the 5 charts is not possible all the time. So this scanner help you to filter it from more than 1000 stocks. And if you're looking for only future and stocks, there it filtered the 250 stocks. Here whatever the stocks which pop up here, you just follow that stocks only. So that's just for an example. I just place this scanner. So you can use any other method. So suppose if you don't know, I don't know about this calculation, nothing this making. So you just go over here screener. Here you can see scan example, so just click it. So in this here you can see 50 minutes stock breakout. So someone create this scanners, so all the scanners someone created. So you just okay, I want 50 minutes breakout, I want to know 50 minutes breakout stocks. So here you see the 50 minutes breakout stocks there. This is the condition. So for 50 minutes breakout, all the stocks are 50 minutes breakout. So I'm just changing to future. Okay, Tata Chemical. See, change to 5 minutes to 50 minutes. See, once is 50 minutes is breakout, once you 50 minutes breakout, you will get the signal here. See, it goes up. So if you want to 30 minutes, just click it here and change it to 30 minutes, or 1 hour, you can change it to 1 hour, whatever. So whenever you see 50 minutes, you have to change this 1 hour, or 1 hour, and here 1 hour. So anytime you want to, if you want to change the time, you can click it here. So now it's changed, 50 minutes breakout is changed to 1 hour breakout scanner run. So see, we got 1 hour. See, this is the 1 hour. Once it's a breakout, see, it goes up. So every 5 minutes or 50 minutes you can just run this scanner. Okay, if you are putting the 1 hour scanner, so after 10 o'clock you just run this scan. So just run in this scan. So that time, so whenever the stocks is pop up here, that stocks you just check it with a chart and just draw the line. So suppose okay, this is one condition, and you want to add something other condition like RSI above 50 or RSI below 50 or something, or you want to exponential moving average crossover, SMA moving average crossover, you can add it in extra. So there is if you don't know how to make scanner, you just follow this way and change the value. So this is just for one scanner. You can get so many scanners from here, like morning candlestick pattern, super trend, negative breakout, closing 3% up since 3 days. Only stocks, there are so many people are making scanner with this website. So all this one you will get it from here. So doji patterns, everything, just click it, doji patterns. So you can know what is the, see, this is the settings they made. For intraday, I prefer to check this one, 50 minutes breakout, or and you can change the time to 20 minutes or 30 minutes. And open high low scanner also you can make with this this site, this scanner. So hope you like this strategy, how to make a scanner live and how to filter it from thousands of stocks. So this definitely help you guys, because earlier we don't have such option to live scanning, because this charting is latest recently add this option. So it's definitely great helpful for traders. So thank you for the charting team for making this site awesome. So that's it for how to make a charting, how to make a scanner. So if you have any doubt, you can ask me at any time. So my mail ID is nicholasmiller2017@gmail.com. And new section is started Q&A, question and answer. Here I am going to clear the doubts of my subscribers. So some subscribers are personally sent us a message. So here I am going to explain it. The first question is, I got it that some subscribers are asking me that they got a call from tip providers or some advisories and they offer 3 days free trial, and the 3 days hit target, so they subscribed their service at a high cost like 5,000 or 10,000, maybe sometimes it's more. So next day onwards stop loss is hit. How it's happened? So even me also getting so many calls from this advisory service. I don't know. I'm not giving my number to anybody. I don't know from where they get my number. That means our data is leaking somewhere. Maybe it's from broking firms or some other source. They get the data. that they should know that we are trading, so that use that one. So how they works, that I'm going to explain you. Suppose, as you know that there are thousands of people are trading in each broking firms. Suppose if they got 1000 data, sometimes it's more, and just for example I just show you, they got 1000 people are willing to take this free trial. They split this 1000 to group 1 and group 2, and they split into 500 each. So the first day, the day first, the group 1 people, they pick any stocks which have good movement. So at a particular point, there are some stocks they give, these 500 people they give buy call, and at the same time the same stock they give another 500 people they give sell call. So as you know, any of these call is works, and this, suppose if buying call target hit, this call stop loss hit. So the day first, these 500 people, this group 1 people target hit. So the next day, these 500 people they split to 250 each, and 1 people with the first 250 they give buy call like before, and second 250 people they give sell call. So that day this sell call target hit, and this one stop loss hit. So this 250 people target hit. So again, so this 250 people got the first day target hit, the second day target hit. So the third day, they split these 250 people to 125 each, and they given as usual buy, and this time this 125 they given sell. So that day buy call target hit and sell call stop loss hit. That means these 125 people out from these 1000 people, from these 1000 people, these 125 people get 3 days target hit, 125 people, and these 125 people 2 days target hit and 1 day stop loss hit. So in this group, these 125 people 3 days target hit, so at least 100 people join, because they got 3 days sure shot call. They think that tip providers are good, these tip providers are good and their calls are more accurate, 100% accurate. That's why the 3 days target hit. And these 125 people think that 2 days it's hit target and only 1 day it's stop loss hit. So at least 10 or 20 people are also join with this team. So suppose if 100 people, for example, if 100 people is join, and if they charge 5,000 or more, they earn 5 lakhs per month. So if in case they charge 10,000, they earn 10 lakhs. This is in the case of 10,000 data, from the 1000 data. If they are getting more 10,000 data, here it's changed to 1000, so 50 lakhs they earn per month. Here 1 crore. They don't know anything. They don't know anything. They are not a technical expert. They are nothing. They only have our data. That's only they have, and they use this way to make money. Up to 6 months they follow this journey, and after sometimes 1 year. After 1 year, they change the name of the advisory service, like some other funny names, and they send like this way. So finally, what happened? We are frustrated. We lost not only money, not only for paying the amount to the tip providers or advisory, we lost from our capital also, because the next day onwards the stop loss is hit, means our capital is almost zero, becomes zero. I'm not blame all advisories or all tip providers. Some advisories are good, some advisories are working hard and their calls are good, and some tip providers are really they have good technical expert and they're providing good calls, but we don't know who is the best. Suppose if you got a good if you find a good advisories and they're giving more accurate calls and they charge 5,000 or 10,000 and we get more than 50,000 or 1 lakh profit, so there is no matter. Sometimes once their calls are more accurate, they may charge to 10,000 or more, so 10,000 or more, so that's not an issue. If you get profit, there is no issue, we can pay this charge. But if one day if they stop providing calls, what we do next? So we are blank, so we don't know to trade, we don't know nothing. So we then that time we approach to another advisories or call providers. So if you approach any advisory or call providers, if they are doing the same thing which I show you before, our money is gone, that's it. That's why in the whole video I told you that you just learn first, then earn. Because people can steal your money, but nobody can steal your knowledge. So once you learn something from this market, once you learn it, you can make your own money. You don't depend anyone. That's what I'm keep on saying my subscribers, that you just try to learn. So there are plenty of technical ebooks available on internet. You just Google it, you will get it. So just try to read it. And if you find your own strategy, or if you have your own indicator, you just add with that strategy and check with the accuracy. Sometimes the accuracy getting better. If the strategy is 60% to 70% accuracy, so if you add something your own, the accuracy may be improved to 80%. So you can learn it also. So I'm not blaming to anybody, and I'm not blaming to all advisory services on tip providers, but some people are playing this game. So you must be careful. You should learn first, then earn. Otherwise these people are loot your money. See, they earn 5 lakhs, 10 lakhs, of course sometimes 50 lakhs, 1 crore, without, they don't know anything. They're simply providing live. They're simply collecting the data from some sources, and they're doing the same thing the whole year. The next year they come with another name and doing the same thing. So be careful. That's why I made this video, and some subscribers are asking me about the same doubt. Hope your doubt is clear. So be careful from this type of looters. So another thing I would like to share you with, recently I got a message, I got a comment like that from a person, and he criticized my channel. He actually criticized that there is nothing in my channel, just for making money and uploading the videos. That means he pointed that the premium membership, I think. So in my channel, some tools and videos required user ID and login. So only premium members can log in and watch it. So that's the thing. That's what he commented like that. Okay, I catch the point, making money. So, and explain. If my aim is to make money, I no need to hit my head. No need to introduce any new strategy. No need to find any new things. Suppose if I have 2 accounts. Okay, I have 2 accounts in Zerodha. Suppose 2 accounts, and both accounts I invest 10,000 and use maximum limit. That means cover order or that means cover or bracket order 20 times more I will get it. So the same times I'm record 2 same time I'm recording the videos for two accounts. One accounts I'm going to buy and another accounts I'm going to sell the same stock. So any of these stocks comes to 200 or 2000 or 3000 profit, I just X square of both accounts at the same time. So one account I got 3000 profit, another account 3000 plus minus 3000 minus. So my loss is brokerage and tax plus some price variation amount, but some price variation, but it's not more than 200 rupees or 100 rupees. So if I do this like this way, if one day I'm going to show you that, so I just upload that which account make profit. I just upload the first day. Okay, I'm uploading the video. Okay, I got 3000 profit. So once you watch that, you can see that I make the profit live. The second day I do the second same things. So the two different accounts, and I'm record which accounts give profit, and I just upload that video only. If I continuously this thing for 10, 20, 30 days, definitely I get more subscribers, like there is no doubt. So every day they think that I make profit, because I am only if I am only uploading the profit videos, they everybody everybody think that blindly believe me that I can make my course are 100% success, and I'm posting every day live videos of profit making. So after 10, 20, 30 days, if I continue like 10, 20, 30 or 40 days like that, so I'm sure at least 100 people are joined with my service. If I provide any service, if I'm say that if I'm giving any service like that, so 100 plus people are definitely joined per month. If I demand that 3000 per month or 5000 like that, these 100 plus people are definitely buy it, because every day they watch that I'm making 3000 2000 profit. So they think that within a day they can recover this amount, this charge fees, and the next day onwards they also make this profit like that. So I will easily get 3 lakhs, 5 lakhs, 3 lakhs, 5 lakhs, sometimes more. My graph is never goes down, because more people are subscribe my channel, and once they check with all videos, every day I'm making profit only. So if my aim is only for making money, I can do this way, like this way. I can easily make lakhs of rupees within months. I can become millionaire within a year. I can become a millionaire. I can make crores. So I didn't do that. There is no shortcut for success. And premium membership. See, so far I uploaded 256 videos. Out of these 256 videos, more than 200 videos are only for stock exchange, only for different type of strategies, and 80% videos are free strategies. If you visit my website, in the first section, intraday, stock intraday and nifty intraday, positional, nifty positional and stock positional, all the MCS, all these videos are free, do not required for login. Only this section need for login. Why I have started this section means premium membership means, actually the premium members are the real owner of this website. As you know that no one is provide a domain free of cost. So that's why I charged a tuition fees only, and I'm providing lifetime membership with these all features. So some people are charging monthly plan, yearly. So I didn't charge that much. I just for tuition fees only. Just for basic technical class, the people are charging 5000 and 3000, and there is nothing in that class. Just for basic, like chart patterns, different type of charts, different type of what is support resistance. That's the basic things they teach at a high cost. But here I'm providing all the things at the cheap rate. That means I just want to run this website, that's it. So if I want to, my aim is only for making money, I can follow this way, opening 2 accounts and recording the videos same times. And those which accounts is show profit, if I upload that videos only, I will easily make millions of rupees per month. So some videos you can see 5 minutes or 3 minutes, 7 minutes, but all this it takes sometimes days, weeks, months to make a strategy. Some of my subscribers are informing me that some other news channels are just copying my strategy and making videos. So they're not only copying my strategy, they're copying other strategy also. So more people are subscribing that channel, and if they do these type of activities, see, or if they provide the calls, you people are subscribed, finally end up with loss. So that's why all the time I just told you that you just learn. Some people have doubt that I'm posted so many strategies and which one is better. So you just watch some strategies whenever you get time. You just watch these strategies. So if you're looking for intraday strategy, just visit my website and just click it here and just stock intraday. Just click it, then the list, you will get the list of the stock which is intraday strategies. So here you will get 256 strategies. So all the strategies you have to, if you want to filter only intraday, you just visit my website and just filter it. All these strategies are intraday. So just check, you just back test with your chart. So if you find anything good, just follow that strategy only. If I upload anything new strategy, just compare with the old strategy which you are following. If you feel that the new one is good, just turn to new strategy. Okay, if you find, if I upload a new strategy, and if you know about some other tools, some other indicator, just add that indicator with this same strategy. Maybe the accuracy is chance to higher. So that's it for today. I will be back with another trading strategy. Have a nice day. Bye bye.